Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Kind enough this morning to be joined by Congressman Jake Laturner. He represents Kansas's 2nd District, and Jake, a member of the United States House of Representatives. Congressman, I'd like to talk about President Biden's recent announcement of withdrawing troops from Afghanistan, all troops, he says, by September 11th of this year. Certainly a monumental date. What is the take? You represent the Department of Homeland Security. I kind of want to talk internationally here. What are your thoughts on complete troop withdrawal?
Americans are ready for these endless wars to be over. We have been in Afghanistan for almost 20 years now, and it is something that the American people are hungry to end, and you've seen a bipartisan effort to do it. The Trump administration negotiated an earlier date. I wish the Biden administration could have stuck with that. And I'm hoping that they'll keep their word. It's time to bring our troops home. We cannot be the policemen for the world. As you see on our southern border, we have issues that we have to deal with right here and right now.
Congressman, you know the obvious question, the vacuum that's going to lead for insurgents and also instability in the Middle East. What do you have to say about complete troop withdrawal when it comes to that measure as far as United States interests?
We are never going to stop monitoring the area. We are never going to stop having a cyber presence to make sure that we are keeping the homeland safe. And you have to keep in mind, wherever we retract in the world, China expands. And so we have to be a check on China. We have to make sure that we are being an ally to Israel and our friends in the Middle East. The list is actually growing thanks to the Trump administration. And we need to be certain that we don't allow terrorism to take root and to grow there. At the same time, we cannot continue to police the world. This war has gone on for too long. It's time to bring the troops home.
Congressman, I know you have a vote to get to, and I want to thank you for your time this morning. Once again, Jake Laturner, United States House of Representatives from Kansas's 2nd District, a native of Galena and a Pittsburgh State University graduate. Congressman, thank you very much. We'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.
Thank you.